The porch light glows in the evening mist. A worn-out chair I used to sit and twist. Old dogs sleep where the boots would stand. And the stars roll slow over this quiet land. I hear the wind whisper through the trees, and the screen door hum with the autumn breeze. Every creak and crack's a lullaby to a simpler time I can't deny. And I sit here still with my old guitar, picking out tunes that don't travel far. No crowd, no stage, just a front porch flame, where the past still sings and calls my name. Every string remembers, every fret knows pain. These porch light memories never fade. The coffee's cold, but I don't mind. I sip the silence like vintage wine. Mama's quilt still hangs on the swing. Smells like her and early spring. There's a journal near that's weather worn, with verses scribbled and corners torn. It holds the heart of my younger days, in a world that's drifted far away. And I sit here still with my old guitar, picking out tunes that don't travel far. No crowd, no stage, just a front porch flame, where the past still sings and calls my name. Every string remembers, every fret knows pain. These porch light memories never fade. Let the world keep moving, let the city roar. I've got peace right here by this old screen door. With each note played under starlit skies, I feel my roots, I hear goodbye. So I sit here still with my old guitar, playing soft chords under moon and star. No need for more, no need to chase. I found my song in this quiet place. Every string remembers, every fret knows pain. These porch light memories still remain. The fields are gold, the sky wears gray, and the wind hums soft like it's got something to say. The old barn creaks like it's sighing deep, and the rain taps the roof like a lullaby's beat. The hay still smells like the harvest's gone, and the porch light flickers just holding on. A jacket hangs where it always did, like time just paused and never hid. And I hear the rain on the tin again, like the voice of a friend from way back when. No rush, no noise, just the falling sky, and the heart of the barn holding memories dry. Yeah, I drift away on the roof's soft song, where everything slow feels right where it belongs. There's a coat of rust on the tractor's hood, and a Bible inside that still smells like wood. Ma's teacup rests on a windowsill. It ain't moved much, and maybe never will. The swing still sways on that old oak beam, like it's rocking the ghosts of a childhood dream. And somewhere deep in the cedar air is the sound of peace, just hanging there. And I hear the rain on the tin again, like the voice of a friend from way back when. No rush, no noise, just the falling sky, and the heart of the barn holding memories dry. Yeah, I drift away on the roof's soft song, where everything slow feels right where it belongs. Let the world keep running, it don't scare me none. This old barn roof seen every rise and fall of sun. The stories live in the sound of that rain, and it tells me what words can't explain. So I hear the rain on the tin again, and I know this place like I know my kin. No clock, no plan, just time to feel what only autumn rain can heal. Yeah, the roof still sings like it always did, and I sit real still like that front porch kid.